there is a thunderstorm going on outside, so if you hear a lot of noises, that's why. Winter's here. Hey guys, it's Tina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you again how to do the perfect eyeliner for droopy, downturned, hooded eyes. Now, I know I did this kind of video already before. I'm going to link it in the cards of this video, but on that video, I'll show you how to create the perfect and right eyeliner for droopy, downturned eyes, hooded eyes. But I don't really show you the common mistakes or the common way that people do their eyeliner that might be less flattering or wrong for downturned, droopy, hooded eyes. Now, the reason that I do like quote-unquote wrong is because a lot of people get offended by me saying or other people saying that a way is wrong or unflattering of wearing makeup. So I just wanted to put it on there that there is no right or wrong really in makeup. It's art, it's the way you feel, it's a matter of taste. There is a more common way that people use, there is a more unflattering way in the eyes of most of society, but there is no wrong. So if you see the wrong or unflattering eye as beautiful or as more flattering in your taste or in your eyes, they're more than the right way, then by all means do that. If that makes you feel beautiful, if that makes you feel confident, go ahead and do the wrong eye. You can do, again, it's not wrong, it's different. It's something that, in my opinion, or in most people's eyes, is less flattering for this specific eye shape, but it doesn't mean it's wrong. So I'm just going to show you both ways and you decide which way looks better, which way you prefer, and just do that. So if you want to see the both ways of applying eyeliner on downturned, droopy, hooded eyes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're not gonna call it right or wrong. We're going to call it the flattering eye and the unflattering. Oh my God, sorry about this. I should adjust this. I just broke the two of my nails and they're just like kind of flipping open and it really hurts. So it just tugs on everything that I touch. So I just put two kind of band-aids. Sorry about that. Anyway, this is going to be the flattering eye. This is going to be the unflattering eye. I don't know how to address this, but you get the point. So this way is the way that I like to do. We're going to start with this eye. I'm going to go straight ahead with a liquid pen liner. This is the Ciate Fierce Flicks eyeliner. And we're just going to close the eye and follow the lash line from the inner corner out, just winging it. This is the most common way I find of applying eyeliner, at least for people that don't like do it like professionally or don't watch a lot of YouTube videos and do it like the ways that nowadays people do, just the regular way of applying eyeliner. So I just look at the, I don't know, 15-year-old girl that starts doing eyeliner, wants to do eyeliner, and just goes to school and does eyeliner. I don't know. So the common way of doing that is starting with a closed eye, right? Because we want to see what we're doing. And starting from the inner corner, starting with a thin line, going all the way from the inner corner, like that, out. Now it's kind of hard to just drag the line all the way, so I'm doing it in little strokes like that, trying to fill in any gaps. Going like this. Now when it's closed, it looks good. Okay, so I'm just continuing and I'm doing a little wing right here on this outer corner. Like so. So the eye is closed, looks good. Looks just like a winged, good winged liner. Now I open my eye and this is what we got. So the liner is not going upwards in a flick. It just goes straight outwards. Although when the eye is closed, it looks like it goes a little bit upwards, right? So this is the number one mistake, is when you do the eyeliner, when your eye is closed like that. I'm going to try and look down, you can see that it goes it goes from thin to thick and then wings outwards. But when you open your eye, because the eye is droopy and the lid is a little bit hooded, first of all, you just kind of cover the whole lid space that is visible to the eye. That's just a little bit right here. And if you have even more hooded eyes than I do, then you don't even have lid space. So in that case, you won't even be able to see the eyeliner at all. And then you can only see the wing and it goes straight out like that. And sometimes if your eye is really droopy, because my eye is just slightly hooded, slightly droopy and slightly hooded, if your eye is really downturned, really hooded and really droopy, then the wing is going to look like this. It's going to look like it's going even more downwards. That's what we don't want, usually, unless you do. So you can see that it looks like I do have lid space right here on the inner corner. You can see that the liner is very thin, and then it goes thicker. It covers the whole lid area that is we're able to see. So if I do have some kind of eyeshadow or colors there, you won't be able to see that. And then the wing looks almost like it goes downwards, and it just makes the eye look even more hooded, even more droopy. So you can see the difference, no eyeliner and eyeliner. Although when the eye is closed, it looks completely fine and like perfect. So how do you fix that? First of all, I like going first with some kind of a base outline that is easier to erase if needed, rather than going straight with the pen liner or liquid liner or gel liner or whatever you're using. I like to first go with a very thin eyeliner brush like that and a black eyeshadow or any other color eyeshadow. If you want it to be very slight and very unnoticeable, you can even use like a brownish eyeliner, eyeshadow or any color like that, just to get kind of a base before you go on with the liner, so you can be more precise. So I'm just going to take a black eyeshadow, tap off any excess, and take just a little bit of that. What I'm going to be doing is looking straight up in the mirror, because when we close the eye, it looks like it goes up, and then when we open the eye, this is the final result that we're looking for. It goes downwards. So I'm just going to look forward straight to the mirror and first draw the wing itself upwards in the direction that I want it to go. So you can see this goes downwards. This is the way that I want the liner to go, to make my eyes look a little more uplifted in the outer corner, a little more cat-like, because they are droopy. So this is the way. And the way I like to eye it is just continue the bottom lash line in the direction that it goes. So if it starts right here, goes like that, I'm just kind of continuing the bottom lash line towards the end of my brow, like that. So this is the first step. You can already see how this eye looks a lot more uplifted than this eye. Then the second step is that I don't like to go all the way in because of the droopy eye shape, because that way you can see that it covers the whole entire lid area. So what I like to do is starting from the point, if I look straight into the mirror, so I look for the tip that is parallel to my eye pupil, like that. So the center of the eye, the most highest point of my lash line. This is where I'm going to start the eyeliner. And then I'm just going very, very close to the lash line, like this, and continuing the line all the way to the outer edge, like that. That's it. That's my eyeliner. Now the only thing that I want to do is close my eye and fill in the gap right here and connect the tip of the liner of the wing with the center of my eyeliner, like that. So that way when I open my eye, you can see the liner. It has some fullness to it. It's not just a little line. It looks like a wing, but it looks like it goes upwards. Now, once I'm happy with the result, now I'm going to go ahead and apply the actual eyeliner on top, now that I do have the base shape to follow. So what I'm going to be doing is starting with the liner right here, and I'm going little by little in little strokes, creating a thin line as I go out. Then I'm going to trace the lash line from the center only from the center, not all the way in, up until the very outer corner, like so. And then I'm going to fill this little triangle to give some more meat to the liner. Connecting it to the tip of the wing, like this. Now you can go ahead and eye it. Look in the mirror and see if you want it a little bit more filled in right here in this gap. If you don't like this kind of whale tail, let's call it that, you can always go ahead and fill in this gap right here. Just draw a straight line like that and fill in the gap when your eye is open. If you don't, if you like it that way, you can leave it that way. If you want, you can make the liner thicker and longer. I'm just going to fill in just a little bit more. But always make sure to open the eye and look straight into the mirror every step to see the final result and how it looks like when the eye is open. Okay, so for me, that is it. That's how I like the liner to look like. You can make it thinner, you can make it thicker, you can make it longer, you can make it more straight right here, as I said. And in case you are going to make it look straight right here and you draw a line right here, when you're going to open the eye, it's going to look like the liner is a little more poofy right here, because that is the shape of the droopy eye. But when it's open, it's going to look straight, and that's fine. But the final result is when the eye is open. So you can see the differences right here. You can still see some lid space right here that with this eyeliner shape, you're not able to see. And that way it looks like only the outer lash line is thick rather than just covering the whole lid space right here. So yeah, this is the final result. You can see how it looks like with the eyes closed, with the eyes open. You decide if you like this shape better, totally go ahead for it. I like this one just a little bit better, especially if I like to apply some more eyeshadows or colors on the lid that I like to be shown when I blink or when I look straight forward. Then this is the shape that I would go for. So that is it for this video, guys. I look a little bit crazy, so I'm going to wash it off. Now that I look at the viewfinder, I see that this eyeliner look makes my eye look almost more rounded, and this one makes it look a little more cat eye. Can you see that? Is it only me? So yeah, you decide which one you like better. Let me know in the comments below which one you like better. I would love to hear that. It's not that I'm saying again that any one of these is worse or better, but I just want to really hear your thoughts and kind of see what people like more. Which one do you like more on me, on my eye shape? Let me know. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and click that little bell button near the subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a video, which is twice a week, Tuesdays and Saturdays, and I'm going to talk to you all on Tuesday. Bye.